Hey there, and welcome to our tutorial on setting up recurring updates. Let's get started. To create a recurring update, start by entering the Updates feature and click on Add New. Next, select whether to start from scratch or use an existing template. Enter the necessary update details and choose the users or smart groups who will have access to the update. On the Publish settings screen, switch to Schedule Publish, toggle on Set Recurring, and choose the frequency. Finally, select an end date for the recurrence. Recurring updates are great if your company has processes that require regular reminders, such as reminding employees to review their timesheets before payroll closes, or a weekly reminder to set unavailability in the schedule. To view and manage scheduled updates, in the Updates feature, click on the Scheduled tab. Here you will be able to review all future updates along with their publication dates. To remove a recurring update, hover over the update you want to delete and click on the trash icon. Select whether you would like to delete the next scheduled update, all updates in the series, or all future updates. That's it for today. Thank you for joining us. For further assistance, feel free to use our Help Center anytime.